Hi, I'm Jeremy Ross with Signature Truck Systems. We're going to talk about a few of the new features on the trucks. So let's go ahead and get started.
The new 2023 Amerigas Bobtail trucks combine time-tested propane delivery solutions with next-generation upgrades that make the propane delivery process easier than ever. Powered by a Corkin Z3200 core vane pump, the new MEC VersaFill valve system, a liquid controls meter with the LCR-IQ advanced fueling register, the new MEC AccuMax Plus digital dial system, and the all-new Accelowind retractable hose reel from MEC. Let's dive into the process, including some of these new features. The AmeriMobile Fuel Delivery app connects remotely to control the delivery features of the LCR-IQ. From here, you can control the entire propane delivery process of the truck. When you are ready to leave for your next delivery, select the customer on your iPad from the customer list on the left of the screen, then tap the En route button. When you arrive at the customer location, tap the Arrive button. Then select Start Delivery from the customer delivery screen. Then tap Run. After you set up your delivery on the AmeriMobile app, set the chock blocks under the rear tires of the truck. Then, near the front driver's side of the tank, flip the emergency shutoff switch to the open position. At this point, appropriate PPE must be worn. Next, open the cabinet door and flip the main valve to open. For normal tank deliveries, make sure the Versa valve is set to the upright first position. For low-flow cylinder filling, select the second position. For auxiliary evacuation or self-load mode, select the third position. Next, pull the hose end valve from the holster and release the hose reel gimbal roller. Press the Reel Out button on the remote to release the hose auto reel feature. Next, pull the hose close to the tank to connect. Proper Amerigas procedures should always be followed to connect, to fill, and to disconnect from the customer tank. Once connected, open the hose end valve and turn on the PTO. When the PTO is engaged and the flow of the product begins, the driver will press the throttle button to advance the engine speed, which increases the flow of the propane into the customer tank. When the flow of the product begins, and if the driver stops the delivery for any reason, the timer will begin and the driver will have 180 seconds, 3 minutes, to continue the delivery. If the driver does not continue the delivery before the 180-second timer ends, the delivery will stop and the ticket will print. When the customer tank is close to being full, the driver will press the throttle button again, close the hose end valve, press the PTO button to turn off the PTO, then disconnect from the tank. Next, hold the Reel In button to auto-retrieve the hose. This should retract the hose smoothly and with minimal effort. After that, secure the hose end valve in the holster. Then, lock the hose reel gimbal roller in the stowed position. Next, close the main valve in the cabinet. Then, close the emergency shutoff switch. Return to the cab and complete the delivery along with printing the ticket. Was this video helpful? Tell us in the comments below.